This is a review of SkeletonBuilder, which is a good candidate for context menu. SkeletonBuilder primary purpose is to make a skeleton of a C# script in a custom way. And so it is intended to use as is, or you can augment it in making a SkeletonBuilder as you would want it to look. Let's open up SkeletonBuilder and see what it's made of. Like the other builders, it's going to inherit from ScriptModelBuilder, which does some basic plumbing. Here's some public fields that are made available in this builder. So add awake, add start, add update. So the user can customize it by choosing which of these methods they want to be created. And again, you can add much more customization to make this skeleton script exactly have the plumbing that you find that you need. It's also possible to make multiple skeleton scripts so that you can choose it depending on what area you're working on. In the script, we're going to override the base class build to indicate how the script will be built. We start by using the base class script model that was created for us, and we add some usings. Then we take the root class of the script and we're going to add a summary to it. And then we're simply going to build the members of this class, the fields, properties, and methods. It's pretty simple as it is a skeleton script. We know the base class in this case is going to be MonoBehavior if it's null. We're going to have no fields. The methods we're going to create is an awake method, a start method, and an update method, and these will be conditional based on the user boolean. And we'll add comments to each of these methods. And of course, we're adding them to the class. And then there's no properties. So as you can see, within moments, you can create a simple skeleton script. Now let's go try this skeleton script. So let's select context menu. Just to recap, the context menu, when you create it, does not create a script directly. It creates a menu item, which then can run this builder, and you can run it over and over again. So you can see it changed from script name to menu name. So when we hit create, it's going to ask for the menu, meaning when you right click here, what's the path to the menu item that you want to create so that you can run this builder. Do we need a namespace? Let's say no in this case, and our base class is MonoBehavior, and we're going to create all three of these methods. So let's hit create now. You see the menu path. So if I right click here, there's ScriptBuilder, then create, and then I'm going to call this my skeleton. So we're going to find this menu item under this path. Let's hit OK. So it was created. Let's find an empty spot where we might create a script. Now you will see if I right click, ScriptBuilder, create. Now my skeleton is located there. Now I'll click it here and run the builder that we had just configured. See, it's trying to create a script just like the built-in C# create script. My skeleton script. There, we created it. We'll take a look at it in a moment, but notice this script is not colored orange like this one. This one was a script previously created that was managed by ScriptBuilder continuously with the override or merge feature. So it was intended to be maintained, whereas my skeleton script is a one-off script. You're going to create it once, then you're going to start editing it like you would do any other script and never manage it or regenerate it again. And of course we can go generate a new script. And you could have a whole list of scripts based on maybe you have character scripts or controller scripts, and you could have a starting point for all of them very simply by making builder scripts. That alone would be a powerful feature, I would imagine. Let's go ahead and take a look at the resulting my skeleton script. Reload it here. Purposefully it was made very simple. You can add more, but it gives you the concept of limitless things that you can do in creating a skeleton script. Thank you. To learn more, please visit AiUnity website. You can also explore the featured products below. Be sure to subscribe to stay current on all AiUnity products. Thank you, and stay tuned to this products playlist to complete your training.